Welcome back, guys. And for all of you that are new to this channel, I'm Cassandra Barney and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. On this channel, you'll catch me every week sharing with you everything that I'm finding and doing to make money on Amazon. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and turn on those notifications so you never miss one of our videos. So it came to my attention in the last SellerAmp video that I did for you guys that many of you were really surprised to see that you can actually use SellerAmp outside of Amazon's platform. So I wanted to make this video today to show you exactly more in depth how I'm going to online arbitrage stores like Walgreens and Kohl's using SellerAmp on those platforms to find the products that are selling well on Amazon. So let me show you step by step how I'm doing this. If you're familiar with my videos, then you'll know that I use Walgreens quite a bit to source from. And there's really two reasons for that. The first reason is because I love shopping in the health and beauty category, and they have a ton of that here. The other reason is because on Walgreens, it's one of the only stores where you're really allowed to stack a lot of different deals that are going on. The very first thing that always pops up is my Rakuten Chrome extension. So I can see the first offer that I'm getting is 2% cash back on my total purchase. Next, where I'll go to is the coupons area. So I can see everything that's active right now, and you can see some that I have already clipped. So right here on my purchase, I'm going to get $7 Walgreens cash rewards, which I can use on my next purchase. And then as you scroll further down, you'll see a ton of coupons that you can clip. So for example, if I wanted to source this Olay product, I could clip that coupon and I'm going to save $12 off of one. So I always check through here first and see what coupons are they giving me. Now, on top of those coupons, I'm also still going to be able to do whatever offer they're offering for this week. So last week, it was 20% off the entire site. This week, it's BOGO, 50% off vitamins, and buy two, get third free cosmetics. So I'm still going to be able to use these savings on top of the coupons that I'm clipping and the Walgreens cash rewards that I'm going to get back. So next I clicked into the deal that's going on for the week. This is always how I do it. I'll go with whatever deal's going on. The buy two, get third for the cosmetics. So now I'm going to look through and see where can these coupons be stacked. So these products have the buy two, get three, but I'm really seeing where is one of those clipless coupons as well so I can get additional savings. And there's one right here. So if I found that this made money on Amazon, I'm going to buy two, get the third free, plus I have a $3 off coupon that I'm going to use. Plus I also have that $7 rewards that I'm coming back with the next time I make a purchase, which is just $7 for free. So it's easy to see why I love using Walgreens, stacking all of these different rewards. Plus I have that 2% the Rakuten's going to give me cash back. It just makes it all of these little savings add up and turn into more potential and more profit to resell on Amazon. All right, so here is why I brought you here today. Now, last time I showed you using the extension a little bit differently. We were using it mostly on the Amazon platform, but then when you're not even on the Amazon platform at all, here's what you're going to do. Hover over top of the product and you're going to right click. Now, when you right click, you're going to come down until you see right here, SAS search. As soon as you do that, SellerAmp is going to pull up right here on the Walgreens page, and it's going to show you all of the listings associated with this product. So I can see here's the main one right here. You don't even have to do any searching. You don't have to go into Amazon and manually type this product in, try to find the correct ASIN. It's going to pull it all up if you do it this way. So right here is the product, and I can see that it's not bringing back a profit at this price because the buy box is $7.99. But here's how I would calculate it. So I would say, okay, $10.99 for one of them times 0.08 because that's my sales tax. That means each one is $11.86 before the discount that they're having right now. So I'm going to buy two and get the third free. So that means I'm going to have to buy two of these. The third one will be free. Plus I have that $3 off coupon right there. So that's going to bring this down to $20.73. And I'm going to divide that between 3 units. So that means overall, without taking into account my 2% of Rakuten or any cashback rewards that I'm going to get with Walgreens, I don't typically factor those in because I just see those as a bonus for the next purchase. So yes, I'm going to get $7 off of my total in rewards that I can use next time. So I'll count them in next time. I don't typically count them in this time. So that means $6.91. We'll round that up to $7 with shipping to Amazon. And you can see that there's not any money right here in this product. So then I just go on to the next product. Here's another one that has an additional coupon. So again, I'm going to right click right over top of it and come down to SAS search. So doing the math again, that means each unit for this concealer is going to cost me roughly $4.39. And right there, a single unit, the buy box is not high enough. But you'll notice that as you start bundling together, that's when there could be profit. So I'm going to click into this and see some more info. So since it's 2 units, that would cost $8.78. I'm just going to round that up to 9 to take into account shipping to Amazon. And now the profit every time I sell one is going to be $4.63. Then you can come down a little further. I like to check what it's telling me estimated time to sale, just so that I know if this is actually something that's moving really fast. Although the very first thing that I look at right here, I want to know its BSR, because that really is the best indicator to tell you how fast these products are moving. And this is in the top 1%, so that is good. This also looks excellent right here. I only have 2 competitors. There are 2 sellers on this, and they're both merchant fulfilling. So by doing FBA, I'm definitely more likely to get the buy box. And I know that I can probably go up more towards this $19 price over top of this $14 price. Because most people going on Amazon, they like to do the FBA, the Prime, the free shipping. And if you're an FBA seller, it kind of helps you in those aspects. So this actually seems like a really good product. Now from here, what I would do is hop into the Amazon listing so that I can make sure that I order the correct shade. So this shade that we found is Cafe, but you'll notice that there are a lot of different variations on this listing. So if you're interested in making sure first that the variation you're going with is actually one that sells, it's actually really easy to find that out. All you're going to do is come below. And now right here, this is just the free Keepa extension. It does not cost any money, but you don't get a ton of information from it. What I use it for is just right here, the variations tab. Now what we're looking at is to find the trophy. The product that has the most ratings, that typically means that it has the most sales. So for this listing, the variation that's selling the best would be the color Fair. So I'm going down through and I'm looking for Cafe. There it is. So Cafe has 27 ratings, 4% of them. So I know that it's not the top seller, but if I want to figure out roughly how many units I could expect is selling each month, now I'm going to come here and grab this ASIN, and I'm going to pop that ASIN into Profit Guru's free sales estimator. So we will paste and search. So given the sales rank, this is estimating that this variation is receiving roughly 55 sales per month. Now there are 2 sellers on this listing, so that means each seller, if they are competitive and sharing the buy box, is getting roughly 27 sales. So that's pretty good. There's not a lot of competition on this. And now I always go down and just look at the historical data to make sure that it looks good. So the sales rank you can see down here on the blue line, that's the BSR. And then up here, these are the different listing prices. What you really want to look here is to see that this isn't changing too much, that it's not going skyrocket high and then plummeting down low and then skyrocket high, that it's staying pretty consistent and steady. Next, you can also come down and check out your competition for sellers. How many sellers are typically on this listing? So the bottom line is telling me specifically FBA sellers, and the top line is in general, all sellers combined. So there's not really a lot of competition ever on this specific variation of the listing. And that's exactly how I do it. I spend most of my time here on Walgreens and I go through those steps. And it's a very fast process. Right here, number 7, I love that brand. Buy 2, get 3rd free, and a $5 off coupon. So let's right click, run the SAS search, $13.99 per unit, tax. We have to buy 2 of them. but we're going to get that $5 off coupon. And this is for 3 total units. So that is roughly $8.40. Now I can see right here that it looks like one is going for $21.50. So this took literally 4 seconds to load up the SAS, and I can see that this looks like a really good product. So now I start that homework all over again. It's in the top 1%. I know it's selling fast. Cost price, $8.40. That means that we'll get $6 in profit every time one of these sells. Check the competition. There are 34 offers on this. So this profit is coming off of if we were to sell it for $21.50. So I like to see how many people are listed below that number. And there's really not that many. I mean, it looks like quite a few sellers, but up here, these are all FBM sellers, and they really don't have a lot of stock. So by the time I get my products in and send them in, hopefully these people will have fallen off and not replenished, and then the buy box will come back up a little bit. Copy the ASIN. Now you'll see that there is a lot of competition here though. Yes, it's making good profit, but there are a lot more sellers, and therefore if everybody is within 2% of the buy box and it's sharing, you could possibly only see 3 sales on this per month. So coming down here to look at the competition, it seems like the competition was not too bad. And then all of a sudden, a lot of resellers found out about this ASIN and jumped on. So this could be something that maybe you don't want to go in on right now because the competition is high. In that case, what I would do is I would add this to a list to keep looking back on, because hopefully once these people sell out, they won't restock, and then the competition might come back down. So that could be something to definitely consider doing. If 3 sales estimated per month doesn't seem like it's worth your while, then put this item onto a list that you're going to keep checking in on. Buy box doesn't look too bad. Everything seems pretty consistent. We don't see it going like up into the air, so that's nice. So it's really quick, really easy, and yes, you can use SellerAmp not just on Amazon. Just right-click over top of the product and run the search. It's going to pull up all those ASINs for you that it can find on Amazon with that specific product in it. I will tell you though, if you are shopping on Walgreens, a ton of resellers shop on Walgreens. So their new sales start on Sunday. If you're waiting to the end of the week, all of the good products will be out of stock. They will not be available to ship. So there's a good tip for you. If you're planning on doing some online arbitrage from Walgreens, I would definitely check the sales Monday morning first thing, because that stuff just flies off of the shelves. So many resellers know that this is a great place to come and stack all these deals and coupons, that this is where a lot of them come to. So make sure that you're getting here every Monday morning, nice and early, checking out the deals, clipping those coupons, stacking all of your different rewards, and then run those searches super fast in SellerAmp. Once you find something that looks good, then take it and do a little bit more homework, do your sales estimator, look at your historical data, and that really is all that there is to it. Wash, rinse, repeat. You do this over and over and over until you find ASIN after ASIN and just build products into your catalog. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so that you never miss one of our videos. I'll catch you on the next one.